bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of Align Motions, and today this is Vishal. In this video you are going to learn about how you can turn your boring tone of image into a better one. So you have to simple follow the two steps. Simply step number 1, select your background layer and make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. After that, select your copied layer and select a gradient map adjustment layer, and in the pink section I want in this a pinkish tone, so I selected it and click OK and change the blending mode to around something lighter like it, and I'm gonna to decrease the opacity around 70%. So here is the before and here is the after. It looks good. After that, select another adjustment layer, color lookup, and find a better one. And I'm gonna to use this late sunset and change the blending mode to something screen, and I'm decreasing the opacity. After all this, select an adjustment layer and click on curves and down to from this a little bit and increase from it here. So let's select all this by pressing shift and press Ctrl plus G to group it, and now you can see the before and after, and we are all done. So similarly you can make more of better changes to this picture, and thank you for the watching. If you like this method, just subscribe the channel and share it also. Thank you.